باب إذا لم يكن الإسلام على الحقيقة وكان على الاستسلام أو الخوف من القتل. Chapter. If one does not embrace Islam truly, but does so by compulsion or for fear of being killed, then that man is not a believer. حدثنا أبو اليمان قال أخبرنا شعيب عن الزهري قال أخبرني عامر بن سعد بن أبي وقاص عن سعد رضي الله عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم أعطى رهطا وسعد جالس، فترك رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم رجلا هو أعجبهم إلي، فقلت يا رسول الله ما لك عن فلان فوالله إني لأراه مؤمنا، فقال أو مسلما، فسكت قليلا، ثم غلبني ما أعلم منه، فعدت لمقالتي فقلت ما لك عن فلان فوالله إني لأراه مؤمنا، فقال أو مسلما، ثم غلبني ما أعلم منه، فعدت لمقالتي، وعاد رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم ثم قال يا سعد إني لأعطي الرجل وغيره أحب إلي منه خشية أن يكبه الله في النار. ورواه يونس وصالح ومعمر وابن أخي الزهري عن الزهري. Narrated Sa'd radiyallahu anhu. Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, distributed zakat amongst a group of people while I was sitting there. But Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, left a man whom I thought the best of the lot. I asked, O Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, why have you left that person? By Allah, I regard him as a faithful believer. The Prophet, peace be upon him, commented, or merely a Muslim. I remained quiet for a while, but could not help repeating my question because of what I knew about him, and then asked Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, why have you left so and so? By Allah, he is a faithful believer. The Prophet, peace be upon him, again said, or merely a Muslim, and I could not help repeating my question because of what I knew about him. Then the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, O Sa'd, I give to a person while another is dearer to me, for fear that he might be thrown on his face in the fire by Allah. Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of narrations, 17 from Sa'd ibn Abi Waqas radiyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our Sirat Mustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.